In this video, I'm going to show you how we can partially initialize an array. So C++ allows to partially initialize an array, meaning it doesn't require a value for every element, but we have to know that it doesn't allow to skip elements in the initialization list. So quickly, I want to show you an example. So int, let's say numbers, and the size of this array is 10. And I'm going to initialize the first 4 elements. So now I want to see the content of these elements. I'm going to use a for loop. Std and line. As you can see, if the data type of an array is numeric, in this case it's integer, then uninitialized elements will be set to 0. As you can see here, all the rest elements, uninitialized elements, are set to 0. And as I said before, C++ doesn't allow to skip elements in the initialization list. For example, let's skip one element, and I want to, let's say, give 89. So when I run the program, as you can see, it shows an error. So C++ allows us to partially initialize an array, but it doesn't allow skipping the element. Let me give you another example. This time I want to use the strings. The data type of an array will be string. And now, instead of numbers, I'm going to change into names. So the data type of this array is string, and we have initialized only first 2 elements of this string, and the rest uninitialized elements of this array will contain empty strings. Let's run the program and see. As you can see, we have Anna and Ali, and the rest are empty strings.